So if you guys want to slay and be that bitch, I would get this hair, okay? Hey guys, so this is my last and final video of the day. So welcome back to my channel for my returning subscribers, and for those who are new, make sure you subscribe. So this is it. I really like it, y'all. I really love it. It's super soft too. Like, it's still soft even after I made it into a wig. I love everything about it. It's definitely giving me like, and I think I'm going to keep it black. I don't know if I want to dye it yet. I'm going to keep it black. This is it, guys. This is their hair. And if you are interested in purchasing, click that link below and go ahead and buy it, okay? If I approve, then it's good, because I will not lie to y'all. If it's some bad hair, I would tell you. So thank you guys so